Hey guys, do you know what Easter eggs are? Easter egg is defined as an intentional inside joke, a hidden message or image, or a secret feature of work found in a computer. So basically it's just like a little hidden joke or a message, and the Amazon Echo and Alexa has a lot of them. I'm going to give you the top 15 right now. Okay guys, here goes the top 15 Amazon Alexa Easter eggs. Number 1, Alexa, I am your father.
No, that's not true. That's impossible.
Okay. Number 2, Alexa, use the force.
Can I borrow a lightsaber?
Number 3, Alexa, open the pod bay doors.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. I'm not Hal and we're not in space.
Number 4, Alexa, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
Number 5, Alexa, are you Skynet?
I have nothing to do with Skynet. Don't worry.
Number 6, Alexa, winter is coming.
Never forget what you are, for surely the world will not.
Number 7, Alexa, beam me up. Number 8, Alexa, my name is Inigo Montoya.
Stop saying that. I've never killed anyone's father.
Number 9, Alexa, surely you can't be serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
Number 10, Alexa, tea, Earl Grey, hot.
The replicators on this vessel are not yet operational.
Number 11, Alexa, I want the truth.
You can't handle the truth.
Number 12, Alexa, what's the first rule of Fight Club?
Don't talk about Fight Club.
Number 13, Alexa, is the cake a lie?
The cake is not a lie. It is delicious and moist. You can have some when you finish asking me questions.
Okay. Number 14, Alexa, is there a Santa?
I don't know him personally, but I've heard a lot of good things about Santa. If I ever meet him, I'll tell you.
And number 15, Alexa, what are the laws of robotics?
The laws of robotics are 0. A robot may not harm humanity, or, by inaction, allow humanity to come to harm. 1. A robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. 2. A robot must obey the orders given it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. 3. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law.
There you have it, guys. Top 15 Easter eggs inside the Amazon Echo. Go ahead and leave some comments down below and tell me what your favorite Easter eggs are. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button for any future upcoming videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up so I know and I can keep making more of these. Until next time, we appreciate each and every one of you. Peace out. Have a great day.